the trip to BC and we just left Thunder Bay. We're heading to the Ontario-Manitoba border and we're heading to Saskatchewan tonight. So it's about a 10-hour drive, so hopefully we can just get it done with no problems. We're a bit tired, but should be all right.
Drove you through thick fog for 4 hours. This is how you repay me.
So we're still on the second day and we just drove into the prairies basically. Before we were in the Boreal Forest kind of thing that went through Quebec, Ontario, Manitoba, and now halfway through Manitoba it seems as though the prairies are basically starting, so it's nice to see the changes of scenery.
I like the thing.
What?
You're like, we passed like the Quebec thing.
Did I say that?